Okay, I have decided that I'm gonna go ahead and start trying out these meals that I was actually saving throughout the years when I was younger. Because I don't know, I thought maybe some shit could happen or it's just good to have during an emergency. But really, I have not found the need to eat them or use them. So, these have been preserved quite well. As you can see, I have a small little bucket here that I just stored them in. And I have quite a lot here. And from what I understand is these things last a very, very long time. So I don't know. I think I'm going to choose to eat some from time to time to one, let y'all know if they're still good and let y'all know how they taste. So I don't know which one I'm going to choose today. Fudge brownie. Ooh, that sounds actually good. Black beans and seasoned sauce. Okay. Potato cheddar soup. Oh, interesting. Okay. We got some drinking water. Wow. Oh, it seems kind of jelly-ish. I don't know. More to come. Okay, guys. So we went with beef ravioli meat sauce, and we're gonna go with the what is this? Multi-grain snack bread. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in my little ravioli. Well, take a note. Cloudy, it's okay. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna just open that up. Oh God. Oh. Okay. What it's looking like in there, y'all. Alright, here we go. Ooh, it's cooking already in there. Oh gosh. That's what it's looking like, y'all. More to come on that. Okay, guys. This is what it's looking like. I don't know. It smells okay, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna just pour some of that in here, and we're gonna go for it. Okay. Oh God. Oh. Let me put this. Let me soak this already, because I can just see that it's sticking to the pan. Okay, guys. Here we go. We're gonna try it out here. It's exactly what I thought. Maybe the bread will be good, right? Oh, the bread looks pretty good. The bread's okay. The bread definitely. I don't know. Oh God. I think I can see why it's survival food. Honestly, if I was starving, I would eat this, but yeah, I don't know about that. Okay. my initial reaction to that. It wasn't the best. Maybe if it was, it was kind of cool still. I kind of rushed it. Maybe if it was like piping hot, maybe it'd be better. It's not so bad, to be honest with you. The ravioli tastes like a generic like Chef Boyardee ravioli, so I guess that's not so bad, you know. Although you can kind of tell it's a little older. I mean, obviously it's processed, but bread, same. Like I said, would I eat it on a daily? No. This is survival food at its best. Thanks, guys.